What's up guys? In this video we are going to be installing these 25mm spacers from Flashark Racing on the LS400. I've got these stock wheels here that I want to try and see how they look on the car with some smaller wheels. I also have them with some spares. I got some smaller tires mounted on them and I want to see how these look because they're in pretty good condition for OEM wheels being chrome. So I finally got some tires on them and I want to put them on there, and these are from Flashark Racing. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get these, also with a specialized discount code for watching this video. They emailed me and I thought this would be a great thing to showcase on the channel because I could definitely use some spacers for this car. And these are bolt-on and hub-centric for the Lexus LS400. So these will go over the hubs on the car now, and then it also extends it back out so that the wheels you put on, especially since I have the OEM wheels there, will be hub-centric and not just by the lugs, which is a lot safer and will definitely minimize vibration. They came packaged very nicely in a box with foam. I already mostly unboxed them. They have these plastic covers on the threads to keep the threads from getting damaged in shipping, so I got to remove all of those. And then it comes with some gloves for installation if you want to be super safe, and then this little almost like steel wool type of ball here, and this is to clean off the rust off of your rotors and hub whenever you install these to make sure they fit correctly and don't corrode. So I'm going to go ahead and jack the car up and take off my aftermarket wheels I have on there right now, and then we will get to installing the spacers. So the wheel is off, and as you can see, hub here is super rusty. I've got the wire ball here, just kind of going to scrub and clean it up a little bit, just to make sure there's no, rust spots or kind of like rust burrs or anything that are going to get in the way of the spacers fitting correctly. Mainly around this hub here is what I'm mostly worried about. You should be wearing gloves if you don't want to get tetanus, but I got this shot however many years ago, so I think I'll be fine. So there we go. Now we'll grab one of the spacers here, and these are 5x114 to 5x114 for a Lexus, and you can see they fit perfectly over the hub there, and you can see it is hub centric. It doesn't wobble at all. Oh, I just pulled it off. I'm going to remove these caps. And these studs here will have the same thread pitch and length as the OEM ones. And then the bolts that are on these are the ones that will go on your OEM studs to tighten them down. Check your owner's manual or look it up to get the correct torque spec and torque both of these to the OEM torque specification, but you'll take your bolt, put it in there, and then just repeat that process for all of them. So I want to go ahead and get the spacers put on, and then we'll bolt the wheels on. So here they are, all tightened down. You can see they're recessed in there so they won't poke out and touch your wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt on the wheels. So here they are on with the spacers. I think they look actually pretty cool with the OEM wheels. With the spacers, and you can see there's the hub-centric part right there. Sadly, I don't have caps for these wheels, but you can look in there and see how it is centric to the Lexus wheels. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process on the rear, and then we'll be good to go. So here's what the car looks like with the stock wheels and spacers. I actually really like it. The small wheel look with the chrome is actually pretty cool, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a very, very simple and easy install. Anyone could do it. I highly recommend the spacers from Flashark Racing. I had no issues with them. They seem to be great quality. They fit perfectly and were exactly what I needed. So check the description, and I'll see if I can pin a comment down below to check them out and get a pair for yourself. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. So please leave a like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at NickJournat, and I'll see you in the next video.